Good morning. We are doing lesson 7, session 4, page 157, and our target is learning how to add and subtract in word problems. So here it says complete the example, then solve problems 1 through 5. Example: there are 8 frogs. Will you read this with me? There are 8 frogs. Some are big. 5 are small. How many are big? Count on, here it says 3. 8 take away 5 equals 3. Blank frogs are big. Over here we have a number line. They have the number 5 circled, and it looks like they count up to the number 8. Okay? Now I'm going to read it by myself, and I want you to listen. There are 8 frogs. Some are big. 5 are small. How many are big? Count on. I'm going to read it again, and I want you to close your eyes and think about it. There are 8 frogs. Some are big. 5 are small. How many frogs are there? Right, there are 8 frogs. Didn't say there was more than 8 frogs. It says there are 8 frogs. So that has to be my whole or the total. Some of those 8 frogs are big. Do we know how many? No. That's a mystery. That's an unknown. 5 are small. We do know that 5 of the 8 are small, so the rest have to be big. How many are big? So if there are 8 is a whole, some are big. If that's our whole, we cannot have any more wholes, right? We only have one whole. Everything else has to be a part. 5 has to be a part. So if we make a number bond, this is my whole, this is my part, and this is my part, right? We said 8 is the whole, so I'm going to put 8 in the whole. Some of them are big, so that was a part, right? I could put that mystery part here, or I could put that mystery part right here. It does not matter. I'll put it here. Okay, some are big. These ones are big. The rest are small. And they said that was, or 5 are small, right? We know every time we can count on from the part up to the whole. So 5 was a part and 8 was our whole. We can count on from 5. We can't count 5, but we can count the jump from 5. So ready? Count with me. 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps. How many times did we jump? 1, 2, 3. We could also draw dots from 5 up to 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. How many dots? 3. So 3 frogs are big. Greg has 8 toys. Number 1. He put some away. Remember, when the first time we read it through, I want you to try to read with me, okay? Greg has 8 toys. He put some away. Now there are 6 toys. How many toys are put away? Now it's my turn to read, and I want you to just follow along with your finger. Greg has 8 toys. He put some away. Now there are 6 toys. How many toys are put away? This time I want you to close your eyes and think about what is happening. I'm going to read it again. Greg has 8 toys. He put some away. Now there are 6 toys. How many toys are put away? Okay, so here we go. I'm going to draw a whole, a part, and another part. Okay. He has 8 toys. He put some away. Now there are 6. So how many toys did he have? You're right, he had 8 as the whole. He had 8 total toys. That is my whole. I'm going to put 8 here. He put some away. This is our mystery part. We don't know how many he put away. Mystery. Now there are 6. Ooh, this has to be the other part. Remember, we can only have one whole. So if 6 is our part, we can count on from our part up to the whole. Let's count how many basketballs they have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, that is a part. 6 is the part. We need to count up to the whole. The whole was 8, right? This was our whole, all of them together. So all of these here in this box and all of them here in this box together will make the whole. So 6, 7, 8. How many is the mystery part? 2 was the mystery part. Here it says 8 take away blank equals 6. Am I going to do 8 plus 6 or 8 take away blank? Let's see. Oh, minus. When we subtract, we start with the greatest number, which is the whole. So if 8 is the whole and 6 is the part, what was my missing part here? We just have to fill that in. 2 toys are put away. Number 2. There are 7 balls. Read it with me. Put your finger there. There are 7 balls. 5 are soccer balls. The rest are kickballs. How many kickballs are there? Now it's my turn. You're just going to follow along with your finger and listen. There are 7 balls. 5 are soccer balls. The rest are kickballs. How many kickballs are there? Now I'm going to read it again. Close your eyes. There are 7 balls. 5 are soccer balls. The rest are kickballs. How many kickballs are there? I have to identify. I know that they have an equation here. It says 7 equals 5 plus blank. So I know that I always want to label my part whole, right? And if that says equal, I don't know what that means. I know what the plus sign means. I know that the plus sign means that everything around it has to be a part. And a part plus a part is a whole. 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 5 plus blank equals, this has to be my whole, 7. Okay, so I have my part whole labeled, but I like to draw my number bond. That always helps me filling in my whole and the parts. So I'm going to read the story problem again. There are 7 balls. 5 are soccer balls. The rest are kickballs. So some of them are soccer and some of them are kickballs. How many total balls do we have? 7. 7 is the whole. Okay. How many are soccer ball? Well, it tells us right here, 5 are soccer. The rest have to be kickballs. That's our mystery. We don't know. So here they have the whole is 7, 5 is a part, and we have blank as the other part. One way I could do that, I'm going to move this out. I can put 7 as my whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6, 7. There's my 7. Okay. There are 7 balls. 5 of them are soccer. So I could put 5 down here, right? Or up here. That means that the leftover part has to be what's remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 whole. 5 are soccer, the rest are kickballs. So if we have 5, count on, 6, 7. How many is that? 2. Okay, or we could draw a picture here. We could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new lines, 6, 7. 5 of them are soccer, the rest are kickballs. So that is the part, this is a part, and all of them together is a whole. The missing part is 2.